The Honda Ridgeline has always stood out as the unconventional midsize pickup, sleek where others are rugged, versatile where others are one-note. But the 2026 model doesn't just tweak the formula, it detonates it. Imagine walking up to what you thought was a familiar truck, only to realize it now behaves like something from a sci-fi blockbuster. A drone launches from the bed to help you move a heavy load. A holographic guide lights your off-road path like a video game, HUD. The paint literally cleans itself with a shiver. Suddenly, pickup truck feels like too small a phrase. This isn't about hauling mulch or tailgating. It's about redefining what a truck can be in your daily life, your adventures, even your emergencies. Let's dive into the 7 most jaw-dropping upgrades that will leave even seasoned Ridgeline fans stunned. Forget struggling with awkward back-breaking cargo. The Ridgeline now comes with its own deployable drone. Yes, a drone that can lift and position loads into the bed. At the tap of a control on the infotainment screen, the tailgate opens and a compact quad rotor rises gracefully from its charging dock. Outfitted with smart stabilizers and AI-based load recognition, it can lift up to 250 pounds, guiding objects smoothly into place like an invisible helping hand. Picture yourself moving a generator, a stack of timber, or even a kayak, while you stand back, arms crossed, watching your truck literally take care of it. The drama isn't just in the spectacle, it's in the freedom. Suddenly, you're no longer limited by what you can personally carry or what a buddy can help with. Your Ridgeline has evolved into a work partner that feels straight out of a Marvel movie. Coolers, blankets, forget them. The new smart bed climate control system turns the Ridgeline's cargo hold into a rolling preservation chamber. Using a network of embedded thermal coils and micro-vent channels, the bed can be heated to keep camping gear dry and toasty, or cooled to act like a giant refrigerator on wheels. The system even supports dual-zone settings, so your groceries can stay chilled while your tools remain room temperature. Add in a built-in aroma diffuser that syncs to the cab, and you have the wild ability to drive home with fresh basil scenting the cabin while your ice cream stays frozen in the back. It's one of those upgrades you didn't know you needed until you picture a cross-country trip with your dog sleeping in a climate-controlled truck bed. This isn't just convenience, it's a redefinition of utility. We've all been there. Stranded driver, hood up, battery dead. Usually it's a scramble for jumper cables, or worse, waiting hours for roadside assistance. But the 2026 Ridgeline introduces something shocking: wireless vehicle rescue. Using a breakthrough induction-based energy transfer system, the Ridgeline can beam power to a dead battery within a 5-foot radius. No cables, no sparks, no fumbling in the rain. Just park near the stalled car, activate PowerShare mode, and watch as your truck revives a stranded vehicle like a defibrillator, bringing a heart back to life. Even more astonishing, it works with smaller electronics too. A camping lantern, an e-bike, even your smartphone can get an emergency pulse of energy. In an instant, the Ridgeline shifts from commuter hauler to roadside hero. The shock factor? You've just become the kind of driver who doesn't carry jumper cables. Not because you forgot them, but because you've evolved past them. Mud, pollen, road salt. Normally, these are the enemies of every pickup owner. The endless cycle of washes and waxes can wear you down. But the 2026 Ridgeline introduces a body finish so advanced it practically lives. Dubbed NanoPulse paint, this coating vibrates at ultrasonic frequencies at the touch of a button, shaking away dirt, mud, and even stubborn grime in seconds. Imagine pulling into your driveway after a brutal off-road weekend, pressing a dashboard control, and watching your truck shimmer as layers of dirt cascade off like dust shaken from a rug. The surface is hydrophobic, scratch-resistant, and, thanks to micropigment tech, even subtly shifts tone in sunlight. Forget gas station car washes and Saturday hose downs. With the Ridgeline, your truck doesn't just drive itself into the future, it cleans itself there. The first time you watch it happen, you'll swear you've just seen science fiction in real life. Off-roading has always been about guts and intuition, reading the terrain, feeling for grip, hoping you're making the right call. But what if your truck could show you the exact path forward? Enter the Ridgeline's 360-degree holographic navigator. When engaged, it projects a dynamic overlay onto the hood, windshield, and even the ground around the vehicle. Green pathways highlight safe traction zones, while glowing red warnings signal unstable rocks or mud. Wheel-by-wheel steering suggestions appear in real time, making even treacherous trails feel like guided video game missions. The system adapts to weather, slope angle, and soil density, pulling data from a sensor suite under the chassis. Picture crawling up a misty mountain trail with a holographic guide lighting your way like a sci-fi Sherpa. This isn't just off-road assistance. It's a revolution in confidence, turning every driver into an expert trailblazer. Step into the cabin of the 2026 Ridgeline, and you'll find it doesn't just respond to your touch, it responds to your mood. The Mood Sync ambient interior uses biometric sensors in the steering wheel and seat back to read heart rate, temperature, and stress signals. Combined with music analysis, the cabin adjusts itself like a living organism. A soft lavender glow and chilled airflow ease tense commutes. A warm amber light and gentle sandalwood scent set the stage for evening relaxation. If your playlist is pumping with bass, the Ridgeline ramps up with dynamic lighting pulses and a citrus-charged airburst that feels like adrenaline itself. This isn't gimmickry. It's personal wellness built into your daily drive. The result is a truck that doesn't just carry you from A to B, but tunes itself to the rhythm of your life, one breath and beat at a time. The final upgrade is perhaps the most jaw-dropping, a truck bed that doubles as an emergency shelter. With a few automated movements, the Ridgeline's tailgate unfolds and extends into a compact cabin. Walls rise from hidden compartments, forming an insulated tent complete with integrated lighting, ventilation, and even a collapsible solar panel on top. Imagine being stranded during a storm, camping off-grid, or needing a mobile command post at a work site. The Ridgeline instantly transforms into a secure, weatherproof haven. Two adults can sleep comfortably inside, while the climate-controlled system ensures warmth in the cold and cooling in the heat. The upgrade turns every trip into an expedition, every emergency into an opportunity for resilience. It's the most literal expression of the Ridgeline's transformation, from truck to shelter, machine to companion, utility to survival. No other midsize pickup can claim to be your backup home. The 2026 Honda Ridgeline doesn't just blur the line between pickup and innovation, it detonates it. From drones that shoulder your heavy lifting, to paint that cleans itself, to a bed that becomes a shelter, this truck feels like it leapt off a futuristic design board and landed squarely in your driveway. What once was a dependable, unconventional midsize pickup has evolved into a shapeshifter. Part workhorse, part guardian, part adventure buddy, part wellness coach. For drivers, it means more than convenience. It's a radical expansion of what a vehicle can be in daily life and extreme situations alike. So if you thought you knew the Ridgeline, think again. This isn't an upgrade, it's a revolution. Buckle up because the future of pickups has arrived, and it wears a Honda badge. Get ready. This is the Ridgeline future you never saw coming.